Hey guys, Brian with Vet Source here on our third day of teardown on our 1993 Allante parts car. Just want to give you another update. As you can see, we've pretty much gotten deep into this. Pretty much got it down almost to where we need to go. As you can see, I've got doors removed, interior's gone, top, rear compartment, trunk, everything is out. Steering column is still in, and the chassis wiring I've got to get out of the car. But you can see in a reasonably short amount of time, you can actually tear a car down pretty quickly. Again, basic hand tools. I didn't do anything fancy here. Just was kept at it, worked on it. Really only spent a few hours every day doing this. So as you can see, she's getting close. Tomorrow what we're going to do is tear the, drop the transaxle and engine out of it with the cross member from underneath, which is a nice thing on front wheel drive cars that you can do. So we'll get into that tomorrow. I'll show you my final product as we get in there, but you can kind of see what's left and the miles of wiring that is left or is in these cars from the 90s. I think is part of the problem why people are more disposing of them than they are keeping them, because frankly they're just a little complicated, you know. People get kind of intimidated by that and looking at it. I will say there's a lot of nice features that Cadillac put in here. You might be able to see here the wiring harness runs up through these channels and over here, so they're not connected to the dash panel. So it's pretty nice, pretty easy to get the dash out of here. You know, that fuse box I pointed out earlier in the middle of the car. Wiring back here. So there's a lot. And the interesting thing, if you don't know about convertibles, is that on a convertible they tend to sag in the middle from just stresses of driving. So this bar here is actually welded into the cross member. It's actually part of the assembly itself all the way across to add structural rigidity to the frame or the chassis as it's tooling down the road and the years go on. Now one other thing, I think on here you'll see Cadillac, the Allante was unique because it used aluminum trunk and hood, and you can kind of see, well, not so much there. You can see a little bit of the rust, the galvanic corrosion that was caused by the dissimilar metals. But you can actually see it here too, where this car just kind of rusted with some of these body panels. It's kind of an interesting thing because it's kind of a unique location just in that one spot where it rusted. So kind of weird, but whatever. It's the way it goes. It is a 25-year-old car, or was. So just a quick look. I'm going to give you another update tomorrow once I finish processing it, and then probably do a short video after that of hauling it off to the scrapyard and showing you what the scrapyard experience is like as they remove the cars and throw them on the pile of goodies to get recycled into a Kia or Hyundai or whatever it's going to be as it's reincarnated. So thanks again for checking in, guys, and I'll be back tomorrow with another quick update for you, and we'll see what else I can get taken care of on this car. If you want to subscribe, my link to subscribe is on the left side there, along with some links to the other videos I've done on this series of these Allantes I'm putting back together. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, appreciate it, and we'll check back soon. Thanks.